NEBOSH qualification. Overview. Unit prefixes and Title S. Unit JIC 1, Management of Health and Safety. Unit JIC 2, Risk Assessment. Assessment. Unit JIC 1. Unit JIC 2. Assessment type. Open Book Examination, OBE. Practical Assessment. Assessment time. 5 hours. 4 hours. Modes of study. Taught, face-to-face, open and distance learning. Part-time. Block release. E-learning. Qualification level and number of credits. SCQF Level 6, equivalent to RQF Level 3. Unit JIC 1, 5 credits. Unit JIC 2, 6 credits. Entry requirements none. Recommended. Minimum standards of English. Equivalent to an International English Language Testing System score of 6.0. Or higher in IELTS tests. Languages available. English, Arabic, French, Portuguese, European, Russian, Spanish, European, and Turkish. Note: open book examinations in languages other than English cannot be taken in the UK. Pass standard. The provisional pass mark for JIC 1 is 45%. The pass standard for JIC 2 is contained in the JIC 2 guidance. More information on how provisional marks are set can be found in our FAQs.